You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're doing margin of error. Margin of error. Watch how easy this is. Okay. For example, a study found the mean weight of residents to be 174 pounds with a margin of error of 10 pounds. Write a confidence interval for the true mean weight of the residents. Okay, so the mean weight is 174. Okay, so if the margin of error is 10 pounds, that means you take 174, you subtract 10, which is 164, and you add 10, which is 184. There's your confidence interval, 164 and 184 between those two numbers. All you have to do is put those two numbers into Delta Math. Okay. A study for mean SAT scores found a confidence interval for the mean score to be between 489 and 547. What is the margin of error? Okay, there's two ways to do this. First way is to say, all right, let's do this. You take 547 and you subtract 489. That's a difference of 58. 58 is the distance from 489 to 547. So if you divide that by 2, you get 29. That's your margin of error. Why? Because here's the other way to do it. If you want to find the margin of error between 489 and 547, you can take 49 and 547, hit equals, and then divide by 2, and you get 518. That's the middle of 489 and 547. That's the middle, like midpoint. Okay. So what's 547 minus 518? That's 29, meaning 518 plus 29 is 547. 518 minus 29 is 489. That's why the margin of error is 29. But it's probably easier to just say what's 547 minus 489 and then divide by 2. Okay? And you're going to have a multiple choice question here. All right? The percentage of people who said they favored the plan was 66%. The margin of error was 4.5%. Which of the following is not a reasonable value for the actual percentage? Okay, so you take 66%. You minus 4.5%. You plus 4.5%. 66 minus 4.5 is 61.5. 66 plus 4.5 is 70.5. Okay. Is this number 69.6 between these two numbers? Yes. Is 62.8 between these two numbers? Yes. Is 69.9 between these two numbers? Yes. Is 60 between these two numbers? No. So 60 would be your answer because it's the one that's not a reasonable value for the actual percentage. There you go. You've been watching the Weiss channel.